Every day, millions of tons of perfectly good food never reach the plate. What supermarkets throw away becomes tomorrow's nutrition. From restaurant tables to farm tables, the cycle begins here. Even the fields contribute to this remarkable transformation.
Ordinary homes play a vital role in feeding the future. All this waste begins its journey to a new life.
Hundreds of tons are moving toward the processing facility right now.
Collection truck, proceed to unloading bay 2.
Welcome to the heart of the transformation. Raw material has arrived. The real work starts now. First, careful eyes ensure only organic matter proceeds. Everything is broken down to begin its second life. Science ensures perfect balance before the next step. From waste to wealth, the miracle of recycling has only just begun. Every kilogram is carefully measured before the journey deeper into the plant. Inside these pipes, waste starts its transformation into high-protein feed. Billions of beneficial microbes are about to go to work. Controlled heat and time will turn waste into nutrient-rich feed. Oxygen feeds the microbes that break down the waste safely.
Levels are stable. Cycle looks good.
Agreed, everything's in harmony. Technology and nature work together in perfect harmony. In just 48 hours, waste becomes something entirely new. The magic of microbial transformation is complete. Now the material must be dried to become stable chicken feed. Hot air and precision engineering remove every drop of excess moisture. What was once waste is now stable, nutrient-packed base material. Precision milling creates the perfect texture for poultry digestion.
The base is ready. Now we turn it into complete, balanced chicken feed. Every particle now undergoes thorough cleaning and sorting.
Even the smallest contaminants are removed with magnetic precision. Air does the delicate work of separating light impurities. Only the ideal particle size proceeds to the next stage. eyes of light and precision remove every imperfection. Human care combined with technology ensures the highest standards. Batches are precisely measured for consistent nutrition. Now the base material is ready to receive essential nutrients.
Science adds the exact balance chickens need to thrive. Protein levels are boosted to create complete poultry nutrition.
A touch of moisture prepares the mix for shaping. Pressure and heat transform the blend into durable pellets. Cooled and hardened, the feed is now ready for final quality assurance. Only the strongest, most uniform pellets move forward. A protective layer of fats enhances taste and energy value. Natural flavors make the feed irresistible to chickens. Every single pellet now carries complete, balanced nutrition. Rigorous testing confirms the feed will flow perfectly in feeders. The finished feed is stored safely until dispatch. Automated systems maintain perfect storage conditions. Fresh samples ensure every batch meets strict standards. From silo to sack, the final journey inside the plant begins. Accurate weighing guarantees fair and consistent packaging. The transformation is almost complete. Waste has become valuable feed. Each bag is sealed and identified for traceability. Pallet by pallet, the finished product takes shape.